Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum Pakistan. Namaste India and Sat Sri Akal Indian Punjab. And wherever you are watching my videos, love from Asad Yaqub. The purpose of making this video is just to request you to let me know what sort of problems do you come across with your IELTS preparation. I'm planning to make more videos for you. I'll make videos in Urdu, in Punjabi, in English. I just want to know what sort of hindrances are there which you come across while preparing for IELTS. Once you're going to tell me that, okay, in listening I've got this problem, you can tell me, Asad, we've got this problem in reading, we've got this type of questions which is difficult for us to understand, to crack. In writing we have this problem, in speaking we have this problem. Once you're going to tell me about your problems, I will try my level best to make videos to cater your problems, and the videos which are going to be according to your need, or rather they're going to be the tailor-made videos for you. So for that, all you need to do, in the comment of this video you should write your problem, and please try to be precise and try to be to the point. Just tell me, this is my problem in listening, this is the problem and this is the nature of the problem. I will read your messages and then I will further prepare a content for you, and I will try to address all your problems, and then I'll make the videos accordingly. So I request you all to tell me, to share your problems with me related to IELTS. There can be the psychological problems, there can be the problems directly related to IELTS, or the problems which are indirectly related to IELTS. You can tell me all the problems. I will help you. I mean, if there is any psychological issue, if there is any stress problem, if there is anything else, you should share that with me, and I will try to come up with some videos, and these videos will help you solve your problems. So please share this video, tell everybody, and try to comment. You should comment this video so that I get to know. I mean, your comments are going to give me the direction. Your comments are like the wind, right, that blows, and then I set my mast accordingly, and then we go in the right direction. So I'm making videos for you. The purpose of my videos, that is just you watch the videos and you learn from my videos. That is the only purpose, and that is only possible when you let me know, when you tell me, Asad, we need videos for reading, we need videos for writing, we need videos for speaking, and this is the certain thing which is disturbing, which is bothering, or this is the certain issue we are coming across while preparing for IELTS, then I'll be helping you out with that. So I hope you'll comment this video with your problem. I'll look into your problem, I'll probe your problem, and then I'm going to give you the answer. I'm going to make videos on that, because then I will see what is the nature. I'll categorize your problems, I'll see the nature of your problems, and then accordingly I'll make the videos, and then you'll be happy, and I'll dedicate you those videos as well, right? So thank you very much. I'll be waiting to read your problems about IELTS in the comments, and I hope you would tell me honestly, and then I will give you the solution to all your problems, and this is how together we will crack IELTS. Asad Yaqub wishes you all the best. Take care. Bye-bye.